If you're running ads to sell cars, this tool is gonna double your ROI in no time. So let's go ahead and let's generate all these creatives in just a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. So the very first thing that you need to on AdCreative.ai is to go ahead and create your first brand. Creating a brand is super simple. Your brand name, your brand logo, your brand colors, and your brand descriptions. And on the brand type, definitely select automotive. You're gonna see that that's gonna actually make the creatives a bit more personalized for you. So I already created my brand. It's called Car Dealer, and we're gonna go ahead and create our first project. Creating a first project, you can just go to the project list and click on create a project, or you can also go to the generate and click on add creatives, because we are going to be generating ad creatives. As you can see, ad creative covers pretty much all the social media sizes. So if you want to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, or Google Performance Max ads, covers all those sizes. Or if you want to do some display advertising, that's also okay. So project description, I kept it very simple. So I'm just going to say we sell electric cars, as simple as that. And the target audience, people who likes electric cars because they are fast. So you're gonna see that this is kind of useful. So on the next step is the step that you write in the texts, and don't worry about the headline, punchline, or even if you like to write your own text, you can actually use the text AI button. So it's gonna be using AI to generate those texts to give you some ideas. So the first one, fast and furious electric cars, fast and eco-friendly electric cars, speed up now. So if you don't like the second one, go ahead with electric cars, or zoom in an electric car, or you want to do something. You know what? I actually like this one. This is the first one. So let's go change it. Go ahead with electric cars. Why not? Speed up now. Yes, that looks good. And as an icon, let's go put a car icon. So the moment that I do that, the content, the text step is pretty much done. Let's go to the next step. So the next step is there's two choices, the single image or several backgrounds. So when you're selling cars, if you're a car dealership, if you are someone who's selling lots of cars, usually the first option is not going to be the best option for you, because you will need to create one project for each one of the cars that you're selling. That all being said, if you have a lot of cars, like I mentioned, the second step can do all of that in one project. So the way that I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here and select those 3 electric cars examples that I uploaded, and you're gonna see them all in one place. And one of the beauty things is that one text for all of them may not fit the best, right? So what AdCreative.ai does here is to give you an option to be able to individually edit their text. So I'm gonna click on this text edit button. You're gonna see that the texts are here, and instead of speed up now, I can go ahead and be like, buy a Tesla today. Okay, so this is the text of that. Let's go to the second one. Buy a Porsche today. That's cool. And let's go to the third one. Buy an Audi today. So as simple as that, doesn't matter. So just to show you that you can actually customize each one of text, and you can even crop the images if you want to crop. So in my case, I don't want to crop. That's pretty much all I need to do. So I'm just gonna name my project and render. So at this point, AdCreative.ai knows about my brand description, my target audience, all the images that I want, the image size as well. Using this information, it generates conversion-focused ad creatives using artificial intelligence from over 150 million ad creatives that it learned from. So that's basically what AdCreative.ai kind of does to you, to your business. So let's go ahead. As you can see, all these images are generated by AdCreative.ai, and the more you scroll, the more AdCreative.ai is gonna go ahead and generate more creative. So for example, let's say that this creative looks really good to me. You're gonna see that if I click here, I can download just the image that I'm seeing, or I can download all the 3 images, because I kind of provided 3 different cars as images. So let's go ahead, it's gonna make more sense. Let's get into that. You're gonna see that it's ready. Fast and Furious electric cars, go ahead with electric cars, buy an Audi today. The next one is buy a Tesla today, and the third one is buy a Porsche today. So basically, as you can see, in one project, I already created 3 different images. If you have 100 different cars, the process is the same. So let's go ahead and download another one. For example, this kind of looks good to me. Again, I'm just gonna use 3 credits because I have 3 images, and it's gonna give me exactly a zip file like the previous one. That's going to have the 3 different images. So let's go ahead again, check that out together. Amazing image. high conversion rate, Facebook, Instagram, no matter where you're advertising, it's gonna get super good results. Second one for Tesla, third one for Porsche, again in just a matter of seconds. So that's kind of one of the biggest value propositions of AdCreative.ai. So number one, first, you're getting super good high conversion rates, so super good click-through rates. Number two, you're saving a lot of time, because doing this on Canva or Photoshop or whatever, or you will need to work with an agency or a freelancer to do this job for you. Or even if you're an agency, many agencies are using AdCreative.ai right now to serve their clients. And the second thing is that no matter what tool you use on the market, again, Canva, Photoshop, Figma, Adobe XD, whatever platform you're using to design your creatives, you never know the conversion rate best practices, because conversion best practices are changing pretty much all the time. So the conversion rate best practices from last week may not really apply to this week, right? So basically that's one of the biggest reasons that AI is kind of revolutionizing the advertising industry, because it can be up to date. Right now, AdCreative.ai's database is 150 million ad creatives. Super soon, probably somewhere beginning of the summer, we are gonna be at 1 billion ad creatives. The more AdCreative.ai learns, the bigger the data set, the better the results is. Right now, regardless what AdCreative you go with, you're gonna see that you're gonna be getting amazing results. So for example, each creative not is only generated by AI, but is also scored by AI. This way, AdCreative.ai is telling you that, hey, look, I generated like over 100 ad creatives for you in 3 to 4 seconds. That being said, I believe the ones on top, the ones that I give the highest score, is gonna perform the best. That being said, again, creatives are something personal. Go advertise the one you want, the one you like. But AdCreative.ai is already telling you that, hey, I have lots of data in my hand. I know exactly what kind of creatives perform the best. So I already know which ones are gonna bring you the best click-through rates. So I don't want you to test a lot of different creatives, and I don't want you to waste your ad spend. Just go advertise the ones you like, the ones that are on top. So I recommend that usually go with top 10 to 20 that you like. Don't let the ones, and go ahead and put it on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and so on. So that's gonna be it. So it was kind of an introduction kind of video to show you what AdCreative.ai can do if you're a car dealership, or if you have some kind of business that sells cars. That all being said, AdCreative.ai works for any niche. So even if you're not a car dealership, if you're doing another job as well, AdCreative.ai pretty much work with any kind of niche, because that 150 million ad creatives cover pretty much any niche on the market. So that's it. Definitely follow the channel, and if you haven't signed up to AdCreative.ai, go sign up. You have 7 days free trial and 10 free credits, so you can actually download 10 different creatives, test them, and if you like the results, if you're happy with the results, you can get a paid subscription and you can continue to use it as much as you want. That's it. Thanks a lot. See you on the next one.